guys, it's Tim and Kathy with Taste Life with us, and guess what? We're in Napier.
We are still in New Zealand, and we're here in Napier for an entire month, and we got lucky.
Yeah, we did.
And people are all dressed up like it's the 1930s, like for this whole weekend. There's tons of cool events. So we're going to bring you all that. We're going to bring you the regular Napier too, because, you know, you might not come this exact weekend of the year.
We'll talk about the cruise port and the fun things you can do around here, including wine tasting.
Yeah, Napier's a great place.
All right.
Join us.
Hey guys, we're heading up towards the old prison here at Napier. They do ghost tours.
Yes, or historical tours if ghosts are not your thing.
Yeah, either way.
Yeah.
So we're going to go see what it's all about and hopefully bring you along with us. Let's go.
Anyways, that's...
Anyway.
Yeah, so, it's the history of it. Kind of messed up.
I don't know if it's worth 60 New Zealand dollars for two adults.
Well, 60 New Zealand, so about $38
US.
Or something US. But this is the other thing. They have escape rooms here. And
that might be a little spooky.
They were like cell type rooms.
Yeah.
I would never, ever go in one of those rooms for an escape room. That is just freaky scary. And they do like haunted house type things here. I would not do that either.
Yeah.
It's a spooky-ish place.
Anyway, if you're into the spooks, come up here and give it a try.
Get your chills on.
Hello. Welcome to the Art Deco Festival.
Hello.
We're here to enjoy the Art Deco in the roaring 30s and 20s of a time long since gone.
Yes, the little Gatsby around here, and we're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to take you with us.
Very good.
The finer things to taste of tea.
Gorgeous room here in the county hotel, right? Look at all these wine bottles.
They say the county hotel has the best wine list and the largest wine list in Hawke.
Wow.
Let's find out.
Oh my gosh. I leaned my elbows on the table after we recorded that, and our two champagnes went flying at Tim, and he soaked on our very classy tea. They came over like, what's wrong?
This is why you never put your elbows on the table.
This is why you never take me anywhere.
True.
I'm so sorry. Hold up your arm. Yeah, I'm really sorry, honey. I don't know what to do for you.
That's what we're doing today.
Well, it's Valentine's Day, so we're doing something romantic.
We're going to go on a bicycle ride through the countryside.
Well, yeah, there's winery loops here that you can take bike rides and visit several wineries on a loop.
So to do that, we're going to grab an Uber and we're going to head out to some place that we can't pronounce, but we're going to enjoy. Hey, wait, as a matter of fact, there's our Uber. Let's go. Hey, look at you on a bike back there.
Hopefully we will not have Hiawatha Trail repeated. Hey, I'm back on a beach cruiser. My old bike like I had in high school and junior high. Kind of my California roots.
All right, girl. Well, let's get your roots a-going.
Look how beautiful this is here.
I know, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yes.
Haha. Oh, so this is unique. I'm now riding one-handed, trying to use this little thingy without wrecking. Woohoo! Look at her go back there.
One-handed.
Yeah, don't do that. And she found her bell. What happened?
We
All right.
made it.
We made it. Not gonna lie, I broke a wee bit of a sweat.
Well, your hair took a beating, so
It
you're
did.
hiding it. My hair took a beating, and nothing I can do. Sweaty under the helmet.
But now,
Yeah, we're a little sweaty, but it was fun.
it was a great time so far. Countryside is beautiful. Let's go try some wines.
Yeah, sounds good.
Hi guys, welcome to a fun lifestyle.
I love this channel because we get to share the coolest stuff that we do during the day that no one else cares about if they don't do any kind of tasting. This is the joy of tasting.
Yep.
Even the sound
Of cannons going off.
yes, to scare the birds away from the vines, which you hear everywhere and here.
So basically what just happened is we did a wine tasting here at,
Te Awanga.
there you go. We bought a bottle of wine now and a pizza
We
that's in my
bought-
lap.
what-
So the fun part about this is we're wine tasting here and we're tasting with another couple who are from Detroit. Which
Detroit,
is
Michigan.
Yeah, Detroit, Michigan.
Yeah.
And so it's just fun to sit with another set of Americans and just laugh and talk about wines and
Yeah.
just enjoy the freedom that tasting brings us. Just wanted to stop. And enjoy the view. Hey, just for fun, there's also bike parking everywhere. So if you're wondering how you handle the bike situation, yep, everybody's on them and nobody's locking them.
Hey guys, so a couple things. One, when you're riding back up the coast road, it's along a major road, but there is like a dirt path along it. So
Yeah.
it's easy riding. Secondly, we passed this place I saw in the news. The property over there, and I just saw on the sign to confirm it, is only $1.
Yeah.
But half of the property has already been basically reclaimed by the sea. So it's like an ocean hazard zone.
So why would you buy it for $1?
I wouldn't, but I'm just saying it's there. You know, you're a huge risk taker. What are we doing?
Happy Valentine's Day, my love.
Happy Valentine's Day.
When you talk about spending a Valentine's Day in a romantic place,
it doesn't get any better than this. It's gorgeous.
That's
Gorgeous.
just because I'm with you. Thanks for joining us once again, and thank you for tasting Napier with us.